muscles. We learn muscles, and I think it's a free one. So, firstly, there's a bone sat in here between the iliac crest. What's it called?
Yeah, that's the sacrum. Sacrum.
Sacrum. Yeah. So in between those two is the sacrum. If I draw the top of it in, because this is flat, you see, the surface here, before we get to the spinous processes. So broadly, across here.
Yeah, I was going
is the sacrum.
bone over there.
And the bone is lying like that, as it were. Yeah? So that's bone this time, not muscle. So you'll be able to feel that flat surface. So what can we do? We'll do the hips first, and I will pick up this in a little bit. We can massage these. If we do the oil thing, base thing, we can do that as well. But we can actually just use the elbow to go all through this, and glute max through to piriformis. So has everybody got pictures and everything that they want to get? Because I'm going to put the towel up a little bit. Yeah, all happy?
Is someone are you going to video the massage and stuff? Or put it on the WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's director of video.
Yeah, he's good.
Okay. So here,
Action.
I actually don't need to, as say, have that exposed. So we know here is the sacrum. We know that down here is the greater trochanter. Sorry. Greater trochanter is there, so glute max is running across there, and underneath it, running like that, is piriformis and the deep lateral rotators. So, as per your direction, we flex this hip. Just relax. That's right. Stay there. That's it. Just relax. There we go. Now, with my elbow, I am now going to apply pressure.
Is it easier from this side or from the other side?
You can do both. I'll show you this one first. So I quite like this one because I'll lean on the couch. My legs are pressed up against the couch now to give me support. I then use this to give me support as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to relax, Sergio, by just...
How do you know where to dig your elbow in?
Right, so I'm picturing this underneath. And technically, because he's got trackies on, I could take this off. So if are you okay with that? It just may help people see.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we go like that. We're picturing the crest now here. Glute max, you can see going into here. This bone down there.
Okay.
So we know that this musculature is all here and here and here. So I start towards this end, and I just get Jose to relax, because people will feel a little bit nervous.